Well, hello YouTube. In this tutorial we're gonna use CSS to set background all over the place. So please remember, we will not use img tag in pure HTML. No, we wanna have that troll all over the place. Well, troll in my case. Let me show that. In a CSS folder, okay, I have a troll. This is just a JPEG image. On your side, it can be whatever you like. Just use some small image, you know, for testing purposes. This is like 400 by 500, something like that, pixels. Really not important what it is, actually. So let's go to Notepad++, in my case at least, and let's go to CSS file. And now, through CSS file, we need to target whole page. So how to do that if we are not using img tag? Well, we're gonna target body, whole content. So let's do that. Body is a target. And we're gonna use background image property. So you will not say background, just that, no, because then we are talking about color. Here we are talking about image, so image and URL. You must use URL here, I'm not inventing that. And inside of these normal brackets, we're gonna type full path to that image, but because we are in CSS folder, it is just enough, in my case, and probably in your case, to type troll.jpg and save, and you have a troll all over the place. So let me test that. There you go, guys. So troll will be used multiple times to fulfill background, no matter how big or small that background is. Okay, so that's absolutely awesome. And a little bit later, when you learn how to use JavaScript, you can turn this into some kind of game, you know, something like that, shooting trolls, jumping all over the page, stuff like that, through JavaScript. Of course, you cannot do that in pure CSS, but with the help of CSS you can arrange some kind of fancy colors and boundaries and stuff like that. I don't know, who cares. So here's a question: what if you want to position troll or any other image just horizontally to be background, like some kind of color header, I mean img header? Can you do that? Well, sure. We're gonna use background again, but this time we're gonna use add repeat property, and value will be repeat x. So I'm not inventing these things, guys, okay? This is part of CSS standard. And now, when I refresh page, we have troll, but horizontally, only in a header, okay? Right, that works. What about vertical trolls? Can we do that? Like everything will be on the left side vertically? Well, just change x to y and the job will be done in a split of a second. Awesome stuff. Okay, so here's a question: what if you want to have some kind of image but only in upper left corner for some reason, like a logo or something? So you can use no repeat here, no repeat, and again, this is part of standard, this is not my idea, and refresh, and there you go, you have troll right here, just in the left corner. And please note, no img tag here at all. So what's gonna happen if you wanna import for some reason troll? Again, through img tag. Can we do that? Well, img src, you know this from basic playlist on HTML, and troll.jpg, sure, that will work. Refresh, and now we actually have both of these guys, but you don't see one from another. So let's play around with sizes. Width equal, for example, 600 pixels, height equals also 600 pixels, but this will be ugly. It will work, but it will be ugly. Oh yeah, so this thing actually need to be smaller to see background trolls. Sorry about that, just a second. And now they will overlap each other. There you go, guys, very ugly situation. Well, just stick with the background stuff, okay? I mean, I don't know obviously what you're trying to do, but you can play around with colleagues with this, something like that, with people in a class, if you are in high school or whatever you do. Well, right, guys, that's pretty much it. No repeat, repeat x or repeat y, it depends what you do. As always, thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial.